Contributing in Area 8 properties can be a keen way to win reliable rental salary, as these homes are leased to inhabitants with lodging help from the government. In the event that you're curious about buying an Area 8 property, here's a step-by-step guide to assist you get at the method and make a keen speculation. Step 1. Get at Segment 8 Lodging. Area May 8 be a government program that gives lodging help to low-income occupants. These properties are more often than not leased out at a lower fetched, with the government paying a parcel of the lease. When buying an Area 8 property, you're acquiring a domestic that's as of now taking an interest in this program, and you'll proceed to get government-backed rental installments as long as you comply with the program's rules. Step 2. Discover Area 8 properties for deal. To buy a Segment 8 property, you would like to find one that's for deal. You'll discover these postings through genuine domain websites, such as Zillow or Realtor.com, or work with a genuine domain operator who specializes in venture properties. You'll too discover Segment 8 properties through dispossession deals or barters, where homes are regularly sold at lower costs. Step 3. Check qualification and compliance. Sometime recently obtaining, guarantee the property complies with Segment 8 lodging quality measures. These homes must meet certain well-being and security necessities, and the government will occasionally assess them. In case you're buying a property as of now within the Segment 8 program, check that it includes a history of great reviews and inhabitants. Step 4. Secure financing. Like every other property buy, you'll require financing. You'll apply for a conventional contract or see into financing alternatives, particularly for rental properties. Be beyond any doubt that moneylenders may see at the rental salary potential from Segment 8 occupants when evaluating your credit application. In the event that you're buying a property through a dispossession or sell-off, you will moreover ought to work with difficult cash moneylenders. Step 5. Arrange the buy. Once you've found a reasonable property, arrange the buy cost with the vendor. You'll utilize the property's salary potential as used in negotiations, but be beyond any doubt to calculate within the taken a toll of repairs and any extra expenses. In the event that you're buying a dispossessed property, you'll need to arrange straightforwardly with the bank. Step 6. Near the bargain. After your offer is acknowledged, you'll ought to go through the closing prepare, which incorporates marking contracts, securing financing, and paying any closing costs. Once everything is finalized, you'll formally possess the Segment 8 property and can begin leasing it out to qualified occupants.